What's going on, ladies and gents? Welcome along to today's video. And today we've got the assembly of the MXR 50cc motorbike from FunBikes. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. We will see the first ride from one happy birthday boy. So from the get-go, this is what it looks like when you're up in the box. We're going to remove everything, take all the packaging, and we'll start from there. So for the first bit of the assembly, we're going to do the handlebars. You're going to need the two shorter bolts, two longer ones, and then some Loctite. With the handlebar in place, you're going to get the first short one, having it at the front of the wheel, bit of Loctite, put it in place. Got a 6mm T-handle, just going to tighten her up a little bit. Grab the other side, do exactly the same. Grab one of your long bolts. From there you're going to pick up the ignition switch. In the instructions it says there's spacers, but they've installed the spacers straight onto the ignition switch. Bit of Loctite and install exactly the same. These are now going into the rear of the handlebar mounts, closest to the tank. Moving on to the front mudguard, got one bolt in the centre and two underneath. Remove those. I'm using a 5mm T-handle. Throughout the assembly, just make sure you Loctite every single bolt that you're putting in. Next part, front number board. So we need to remove the brake line first. So I'm going to pinch it in. Moving on to the front forks, the caliper and the front wheel. Going to start off just removing the caliper bolt. To tighten them up, tools are provided, 17 on the right hand side, 14 on the left. With the tools provided, for the front caliper, you're just going to loosen or tighten these two bolts here, so when you spin the wheel it doesn't drag too much. Once you're happy, or if you want it a bit tighter or looser, depending if it's dragging, you can undo this. And then with the size 3 Allen key, loosen or tighten as you go. Once you're happy, just tighten her off. So now we're just going to install the swing arm bolt. So we're at the last few stages now with this build. All the calipers are done, the brakes are done, front and rear wheels sorted. From now, we're going to go through, tighten all the bolts, put the bar pad on, put the breather hose for the tank on, and I think we should be done.
As always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Hey, good, good, good.